Why are some Yoruba crashing out over the sack of the doctors complicit in the death of Chimamanda Adichie's son? Why tribalizing the issue because the doctors are Yoruba? This matter should never have been about ethnicity. It is about professional responsibility and the value of human life. The medical doctors were guilty of negligence. The proper and ethical step would have been to refer him immediately to a facility that could manage the case. Reports say he was still stable when he was brought in. The window of opportunity matters. In medicine, timing can be the difference between life and death. That is what professionalism demands. When a life is involved, especially the life of a child, there is no room for ego, pride, or carelessness. Yes. We are talking about the loss of a child, the only son of Chimamanda. Losing a child is one of the deepest pains a person can experience. The grief of losing a child is unimaginable. The emotional damage caused by a preventable medical error, as it's been proven, is totally devastating. Reports suggest it was not easy for her to have him. Emotional and psychological pain that comes with such a loss cannot be overstated. Last month, I read Chimamanda was finding it difficult to cope with the loss. What are you guys saying? I strongly believe that this case gained so much attention and subsequent investigation and punishment because it is Chimamanda that is involved. But how many similar cases involving ordinary Nigerians never received attention? How many families have suffered quietly because of alleged incompetence or negligence in the system? If such a situation could occur in a high-profile case, it raises serious concerns about what the average citizen faces daily. Instead of defending professionals based on tribal identity, the focus should be on strengthening accountability in the healthcare system. Doctors and medical workers carry enormous responsibility. Their decisions affect lives. The conversation should center on improving standards, enforcing ethical practice, and protecting patients, not shielding anyone because of where they come from. Hello? Turning this into an ethnic argument distracts us from the core issue. It shifts attention away from the systemic reform and professional discipline. What Nigeria needs is a healthcare system where competence, ethics, and patient safety are non-negotiable. There are countless unresolved cases around the country where families are still nursing pain and unanswered questions. And that is why thorough investigations matter. That is why transparency matters. While we demand justice where necessary, we should also acknowledge the many healthcare professionals who continue to work with integrity, compassion, and professionalism despite difficult conditions. This is not about tribe. It is about life. It is about accountability. And it's about ensuring that no family, famous or not, has to endure unavoidable tragedy. Come on, you guys. Come on. It's painful. Register your children in our Igbo Academy and see great improvement. If you also want to learn content, DM me. And we have power banks for sale. If you want it, also DM me. 20k, 30k, and 50k mAh. I'm just a DM.